from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And we are actually in Nocatee's newest neighborhood, Timberland Ridge. There's so much excitement going on around us. Homes are being built, and it just opened up. And we are so excited to be at ICI Homes with the fabulous husband and wife team of Eric and Kelly. So they're going to take us inside, and I'm screaming because it's so loud out here. So let's go inside. Thank you guys for having us.
Absolutely.
You're welcome. We're glad you're here.
So many people made positive comments about your home at the grand opening this past weekend. So I'm so excited to feature it now on Wednesday.
Gotcha. So this is our Costa Mesa. It's 2,565 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car tandem garage, and it is a single story. We did put a bonus room on this home to take it up higher, but it comes as a single story home. As you see, here's the office.
Love this, and I love the barn doors.
The barn door's out for
Let
absolutely
me
gorgeous.
scooch back so I can get let's
Yeah, I mean,
see
look
that.
at these. These are just so cool. You have to get this. Sorry, whoever buys this house, you have to do this. Too cool. And the ceiling height just makes this grand
Absolutely.
entrance.
12-foot standard here.
That is amazing.
With the Costa Mesa in the main living areas. 2 bedrooms here. Look at these rooms now.
And look at this architecture right here on the walls. I like that it's not just a flat wall, long going in. I do love that y'all brought that hint of architecture in. And then also, when you come out, Carling, after you show the bathroom, will you please show that they do have linen space here? So if you have, for example, kids living up in this space, they do have their own linen spot, which I love. Not everyone does that. So terrific. Absolutely love this. And then is there, in this home, with these doorways, I'm noticing how tall they are. Can you tell me again?
These are standard 8-foot doors, double panel with levered handles that come standard with the home as well. 5¼ inch baseboard also.
And with ICI, one thing they're really known for is their customization. So there's going to be a lot of things in this home you're going to see. But remember, when you come to see Eric and Kelly, ask them about all the other things that they can offer you.
Absolutely. If you can think it, we'll do it.
I love that. Look at this laundry room. I love the laundry room.
Great.
And y'all, I'm going to say it right now. This is a good laundry room. It's very wide. It's long. Don't laugh. It's true. Love the built-ins. But that is a great laundry room. Love it. Okay, now here we're getting into showstopper territory.
So over here to your left, you'll see our breakfast nook area. A lot of natural light there from those windows.
And it's a nice size.
Absolutely beautiful.
So you can they put a very, these big chairs right here, but you could have a really big table, great entertaining space. And I love that it's not a formal dining room, so it just feeds right into
the massive kitchen and living area. Look at this.
Love
if you
it.
entertain, look at that island.
Okay,
This
Eric,
kitchen.
I want you to walk around and point out some great features of this.
So one of the great features is the length of the island out here. The width of it is a standard feature with us. Nice appliances here.
Lots of cabinets.
A lot of cabinet space. We are a natural gas community. Hood range, we do vent out as well. But just a lot of great entertaining space here.
I mean, I can't get over, and that this island size is standard.
It is standard.
Y'all, it's like
huge.
4 of me. I mean, this is
And it's
huge.
got 4 chairs.
Comfortably.
Comfortable. No, these are like nice, comfortable
Yes.
chairs. You could actually fit more if you did smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, I do want to see this space because I love this.
So you have a little mudroom / stop and drop area and your pantry.
So y'all showed it for somebody who's a dog owner, but other people, you can do built-ins if you've got kids to hang their book bags. Great walk-in pantry. Absolutely love that. I just can't get over this home. I'm in love.
It's beautiful.
It flows very
It
well.
really does flow well. It does. And I know y'all have already signed contracts.
Yes.
We did today.
I mean, it's hard. It's hard to be y'all right now. I will tell you. Timberland Ridge is the place to be, and ICI Homes is selling quick. Where are we going next, Aaron?
Over here we have the owner's suite over here with 10-foot ceilings.
Look at it, very grand.
Yes.
Again, lots of natural light coming in here. Love that. And a beautiful picture window in the center. It's something I actually didn't notice this before. This is breathtaking. I love that.
Great Lots of view. natural light can come in through there.
Yes, that is a great feature. Beautiful.
Love it.
And this bath.
And the owner's bath.
Yes.
Isn't that beautiful?
And
Wow.
the little, it's hard, I know it's a sunny day, but the cutouts on the top.
Yep, the
that
little
white-
transom windows,
Yes.
they're beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice big walk-in shower.
I mean, how many people are going to fit in that shower? I mean, every kid can fit in that shower. I love this. And you know what's beautiful? This vanity is something that is a showstopper to me. Because a lot of times you do have the two sinks closer together.
Right.
This is very spread out.
His and her space.
Really is a lot of nice space in here. And again, lots of cabinets. And people can do different options in here. And of course, they do have a beautiful walk-in closet. I'm sorry we're passing it, but we're going to go to another favorite area because I saw it earlier. So I'm excited. This outdoor space.
So out here, we actually have 16 feet of glass sliding doors that can open either way. That opens to this terrible space out here.
I mean, pure entertaining space, indoor, outdoor. You're going to live in this massive space.
It actually lets that outdoor Florida lifestyle into your home.
It does.
It's a beautiful view.
And Eric, is a television hookup, is that standard
Yes,
out
it
here?
is. Yes, it is.
Okay.
And your gas hookup would be standard as well. Or
Great.
grill.
And I know y'all are putting in a summer kitchen to show people, so that should be coming
Yes,
anytime
ma'am.
now. And look at this, you're by building this extra wall with the outdoor fireplace right here, some more added privacy.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And also, I don't know, Carly, we're underneath also a solid roof, and that's important because you can sit out here on those rainy days and it won't affect you at all.
Absolutely
You can
right.
sit out here. So I already decided I would eat my breakfast out here. I would eat my lunch right there at the island. I'm going to eat my dinner in what you call the breakfast nook, but it's so much more than that because it's huge. Okay, now you have to go back to my two favorite.
Then over here, we have a 4th bedroom and a 3rd bath and a wonderful
Another storage.
whoop whoop.
Love
We
it.
love storage. So a
Full
great
bath.
full bath here.
Oh,
So this is what your
nice.
guests will use.
That's correct.
But look at this. I love that y'all turn this into a workout space
Absolutely.
versus just showing it as a bedroom.
Yes.
Because it's really reminding the buyer of the different options these rooms can do for people.
That's correct. Because so many buyers want to bring their fitness equipment with them and don't know where to put it.
Absolutely.
So it's a perfect spot for it right here.
And that's a huge walk-in closet. So that
Huge.
actually can end up being a great storage area for your holiday, items, and also your luggage, things like that,
Exactly.
should this not be a bedroom. I just had to show that. That really is a favorite touch. Well, as we're going up the stairs, I want to remind people we are in Timberland Ridge. That's Nocatee's newest neighborhood with ICI homes. But a great selling feature to Timberland Ridge is that they are across the street and just a little bit down the road from the Greenway Trail. Why that's important is the Greenway Trail is for golf carts, bicycles, and your feet only, and it takes you right to the town center. So you do not have to go all the way around, towards the other communities and underneath the parkway and anything like that. You can cut straight underneath.
Exactly.
So that is a huge selling feature. But you are near the parkway for those people that are still commuting into town.
Right. Exactly.
So great selling feature. Okay, talk to us about this huge
So this
space.
beautiful bonus room is so large. You have a lot of natural light with these 4 windows. You have the 2 transom windows as well.
The half wall right here.
The half wall. There's storage up here.
I can't get over the size of this. A lot of bonus rooms are they're bonus rooms, but they're small. I would say at least half this size.
Right.
This is a massive space.
Easily. You could put a pool table up here or a
multiple.
theater.
Yes.
And look at this bedroom.
I can't-
This is
Wow.
beautiful.
Now this to me is another owner suite, to be honest with you. The size of it, this is not just a secondary bedroom. So, and again, ICI Homes, I want to just again point out that they customize things, so you need to ask Eric and Kelly different things they can do for you. But if you did this room, of course, a full bath and a great walk-in closet.
Absolutely.
A great walk-in closet. And I want to remind people that on Nocatee.com, you can click on the Neighborhoods tab, click on Timberland Ridge, and with ICI Homes, find your home. They have all of the floor plans. So you need to see all the floor plans that ICI has to offer. But this community will sell quickly. Lots of trees in this neighborhood, by the way. I do want to point out This yard, the space in the back, huge space. So ICI has some great lots here in Timberland Ridge. So you need to come out and see Eric and Kelly today. Eric, can you point out some great features we saw today? Maybe some standard features that ICI
Well, some of the
has.
standard features is the tandem garage we have downstairs. Also, they do come standard 12-foot ceilings in the main living area. You have the large kitchen island. It's a very big island, can easily seat 4 people as well. The beautiful, when you put the bonus room, great space up here that comes, well, it doesn't come standard, but if you were to put the bonus room, the features you're seeing up here as well.
This is going to
So,
sell
just absolutely.
quickly.
Lots
Yes,
of
ma'am.
closets throughout the
And
house
lot-
too.
Yes,
For
you're
storage.
right. Lots of storage, lots of cabinets, but the big open floor plan, which is very popular with our buyers. So everyone needs to come out to ICI Homes. Kelly and Eric, the husband and wife team, by the way, I'd love to point out again because they're amazing. This is such a phenomenal builder. So please come out and see them today. Thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the Park Group, the developers of Nocatee. I'm Heather. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Heather.
You're
All right,
welcome.
bye.